welcome back. Sheila from Thompson Leisure, if you don't know me by now. And today I'm going to show you a brand new Burstner. Now, with me is a nice compact Burstner, only 5.99 metres in length. So, nice compact space there. It is replacing the Burstner LYSEO 590. This one is a Burstner LYSEO 594. So, let's go take a look at it. Starting off, you do have your full awning across the whole panel, and there's a lovely LED awning light with that as well. Down here you have a TV point for outside and an outside barbecue point as well. Of course, you do have your lovely welcome step there. And then here is your lovely storage stretching all the way up, and you can access that from the inside as well. Round to the back you have a lovely reverse camera and a real nice feature. You see the Burstner logo up at the top. That is also your brake light. I want to show you one thing real quick, just on the inside of the door before we head in. If you look in there, you'll see a little charging spot, and that is for your home light, and you can buy as many of them as you want straight from Burstner. Let's hop inside. So here is your main living area inside this lovely motorhome. If you're a regular watcher, you will know that I am a big fan of Burstner. This being your main living area, this is also your first and second berth. If you'd like to see this bed, please let me know. I have no problem showing you. It is a real nice big bed as well. Up front, these do turn around. Now, I want to keep them good because that is a lovely leather there. You'll see this is an automatic. You do have a multifunction and steering wheel there with your Bluetooth connectivity as well. Then across you'll see that lovely big touch screen that has everything you need, your sat-nav, DAB, radio, you name it, it's got it. Apple CarPlay, Android, automatic. You do have aircon down there and your standard plug-in points, USB plug-in points, and that is the new 9-speed automatic gearbox as well. Just directing your attention up here, you will see you do have additional USB points just there as well. Real nice finish on a Burstner. They like to keep everything really like subtle, and everything has its own place. This table, of course, does extend and it can move. Personally, I think this is such a lovely big lounge area. For such a compact vehicle, they really use all that space. Width-wise, this is 2.3, so you're not really losing any of that space with it being more compact. So before we leave your lounge area, of course you do have your TV point just there, and this is your main control centre as such. That's your control panel, your heating control panel, different plug-in points for your TV, more USB ports just here. A nice little cabinet, you know, you could use that for holding glasses or newspapers, whatever you want really. And then that's your main light control system. Lovely little ports here. You know, as I said, you can put newspapers, magazines, anything that you desire. Across to your kitchen element now. Just in here, you'll see that is where your settings are, along with your electric drop-down bed, which is just above. I'll show you that in a wee second. Across you have your 3 gas hob here, and then your combined oven and grill down below. Nice wee quirky feature that I seen just when I was in here having a nosy before shooting this video. Your storage in here, it just wheels back for all your bottles of wine, spice rack, whatever you need the storage for. I just thought it was a real nice finish, you know, to pull that whole section out. If you're familiar with Burstner, you'll say Sheila, you've showed us this before. If not, this is one of the features that I love the most. These little independent reading lamps, whatever you want to use them for, you know, they do move, they twist. And the great thing is, these come on power rails. So along there and throughout the vehicle, you'll find these power rails. So you just hook it in wherever you need it to be, wherever is convenient for you, and on it goes again. Now you can get different ports for your power rail. You know, you can get USB ports, whatever's convenient for you really, you can change them up. Then across to your full length fridge here. I'm just going to unlock it at the bottom. And that's a 3-way fridge as well. So it's an automatic 3-way fridge, so whenever you're driving it'll switch over, whenever you are plugged in it'll switch over, and that's your little freezer compartment there as well. Then moving into your lovely end bathroom, and tons of storage. Now, as I mentioned outside, you can access from inside. This is the door that is from the outside. Now, I have a lot of stuff crammed in there. I'm not saying you need to be like that. I just wanted everything to look nice and neat. These are your passenger driving seats that hook in. If you want to see how they hook in, please let me know. I have no problem showing you. And then that is your ladder for your upstairs drop down bed. You then have other storage here. For now, I just put in the infill pillows for the bottom bed. And as I said, I can show you how that works. It is real easy. You just click, 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 go to sleep. And then over here, now this switch is for winterizing your vehicle. So whenever you're hitting -40, you hit that on, and it heats up your waste tank, your water tanks. It's a way of living off grid in any weather. Across here you have your toilet, lovely sink, again more storage in there, and then a separate shower just over here. Oh, lovely. And that of course does come off as well. And then up above is your electric drop down bed, and it just comes down and fills that whole place. If you wanted that to be your main bed, you know, keep your sheets and pillows and stuff there, you can do that. It would just mean you drop down each of these whenever you're bringing the bed down, and it actually comes the whole way down. If you see that rail, it comes the whole way down, so you don't need the ladder. You can just hop straight into bed. If you'd like to see anything else, please let me know. I could talk about Burstners till the cows come home. You know, you have your lovely, just nice show blinds. I really appreciate that. I don't know about you, but I really appreciate that. Maybe I'm being biased. If you'd like to see anything else, please let me know. You can contact me, marketing@thompsonleisure.com. You can give me a call, 028 92 693 999, or drop a message underneath. I pick up all the comments. I reply to everybody. Or you can come in and see me, and I'll make time for you. I'll come out, give you a wee personal tour. I'll say nothing. See you in the next video.